Okay, here we have something very unique and quite rare. This is an original and authentic Ferrari toolkit in a leather case specific to the 456 GT model. I'd imagine this will be the only case that you will find worldwide for sale currently. It's got the embossed Ferrari logo there. The case is as it's come to me, so there's some characteristic marks in the leather which could no doubt be rectified with some appropriate leather cleaning lotions or creams. On the back of the case you can see it's clearly marked and embossed 456 GT with the Prancing Horse logo. Let's have a look inside. The three trays are all intact. The contents of the case comprises three trays, one of which is the Ferrari pliers, the two smaller screwdrivers, the tow hook and various spare bulbs and accessories. The next tray comprises the set of spanners and the two larger screwdrivers, which are in good condition for the age, just minor surface oxidation. And finally the tray containing the spare belts. Considering age of these items, I would say in very good condition. Inside the leather case is the two-part polystyrene casing for an emergency inflator. There is no emergency inflator inside, as they always tend to be many years out of date, but that part is easy enough to get hold of to make the case completely full and complete.